You guys, so I kinda did a thing. I kinda did a thing. Okay? Like, tell me this is not giving marble island, marble countertop. Just tell me it's not. So if you guys can remember, yesterday I got this canister, basically like containers to hold like some of the things in the house. So I want to quickly wash them and dry them up so I can pack these things. I think there's like about a few things that I can put inside all three of the containers. So let's quickly wash them, dry them up, and then see what we can pack inside here. Alright, so before we pack the canisters and the food inside the container, I wanted to show you guys so the plastic paper thingy you paste on like surfaces, I got from Pep Home as well. So I had an idea, and as I mentioned, that I wanted to like kind of basically redesign this table that I have. It's not a table, it's actually a cupboard drawer. So there's actually two drawers here, and inside there's literally a bunch of things in there. So this was the final design that I came up with. So as you can see, it's basically a marble texture, but I still want to kind of like put marble here as well, and also on the sides. On this other side, it's the doors, so I'm not gonna put anything there. So we'll see, but I don't have the paper today, so I have to go out some other time to get it and then basically finish, doing this homemade DIY kitchen island. But I think it's really nice. Like, who would have thought? I mean, who would have thought, really? Alright you guys, so I've washed the containers, so now it's time for us to pack, and then Jenny, I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight. But let's first pack this and then we'll see. Alright, so I'm done putting all the cereals, macaroni, and the porridge inside these canisters, and I realized that the other day when I was at Pep Home, well, yesterday, I wanted to get more, but one of these big ones, the lid was kind of like dented, and I was like, no, you know, and it was the last one left, like I said to you guys. So I'll go back to Pep Home maybe sometime when I do find time, and I think I'll get 2 more of the medium ones and maybe the small one, because I think the small one is really small, so I won't really get the small one. Maybe I'll just get 1 more and get 2 more of the medium ones and probably get 2 more of the big ones. But for now, I'm happy. I just don't really have like enough organization in the cupboard that I want to put everything in, so I need to first sort that out, and then I can put like every single thing like inside. So for now, I think I'm just going to put these guys up here with the rest of these. So for the meantime though, yeah, for the meantime. What's good you guys? So today is a Sunday. I woke up pretty early today because there's a couple of errands that I had to run in Joburg CBD, but I'm done with that and I am home. It is currently 11:59, so basically 12 p.m. and I'm only going to be eating my breakfast now. So all the cereals I wanted to eat, like the cornflakes, granola, there's no milk, there's no yogurt for that. So I've just settled on eating porridge. I'm just going to have like a small portion of porridge just so I can start my day the right way, have proper breakfast, and then yeah, I don't really have any proper plans to tell you guys what I'm gonna do today. I don't know, I'm just winging it today, but of course I'll be taking you guys along. So yeah, come spend a Sunday with me. Alright you guys, just finished doing a little bit of some shopping, getting a few items, not shopping, so I'm going home now. So I just got home and I got a couple of things when I was out, and I didn't bring you guys along because I forgot to vlog, unfortunately. So the first thing I got is this Paint Plus Primer Satin Black Superior Coverage Spray Wooden Paint. You can also use it on metal and plastic. So I want to spray my paint tables. As you guys can see that I'm literally on a mission to like customize and DIY, and I'm an interior designer, so it's also in me to like customize, DIY things. So yeah, it smells like actual paint, but it's spray paint. I'm gonna use this on my brown round wooden tables, and yeah, I don't like the color of the brown, so I wanted to do it like black because I'm kind of moving towards like a black theme, and then like pops of color. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do a splash of blue or teal, but I'm leaning into blue. So let me show you guys what I got from Checkers. Just a few groceries and just basically dinner for tonight. These handmade double wall glass mugs. I've been wanting them for the longest time. I see the coffee girls like drinking their coffee in these mugs, and I'm not a coffee girl, but I'm gonna drink my tea and my hot chocolate in here. So let us unbox it. agenda, I currently need to go through this campaign guideline because I received a package this morning from a brand called Anua. So it's basically like PR. So basically they send you Korean skincare products to try out. So I signed up and my package arrived today, so I need to quickly look through my emails and see everything they said I should do, and then I don't know if I should film the video today or I'll film it tomorrow, we'll see. But yeah, and then I also need to respond to a couple of emails as well, and then I think I will spray paint my tables today because at least it's a little bit early. Yesterday it was a bit late and yeah, it was getting a little bit dark when I came home. So I'll spray paint the tables today. I'm going to unbox this. And then when I unbox, what else? So yeah, let me just get to it and I'll speak to you guys later. Alright, so as you guys can see that I'm literally still in my pajamas. It's literally like 4 p.m. right now and I haven't been feeling okay. So I just got my monthly cycle and I am not in my best self. I took a shower earlier on. I took a shower, ate some breakfast and I kind of relaxed a little bit. So I also received flowers yesterday. So I had them in like my vase in water overnight. I said I'm just gonna chop them up today when I feel better, which is what I did. So right now I'm getting a little bit of heat flashes and it's a lot, but I'm just gonna snack on a couple of snacks. I haven't really eaten something super solid, which is what I'm worried about because I feel lightheaded and super nauseous, but it's okay. I'm just gonna relax in bed, be comfortable. So yeah, that's me in my current sick state.